Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey into the world of Kotlin programming. I'm thrilled to show you why Kotlin is such a fantastic language for both beginners and experienced developers. Kotlin is all about making your life as a programmer easier and more enjoyable. Let's dive right in with some code examples to give you a taste of what Kotlin can do. First, check out this simple Hello Kotlin program. It's so concise and readable. See how we didn't need to write a lot of extra stuff? Kotlin syntax is clean and expressive. If you're into Android development, you are in for a treat. Kotlin is officially supported by Google for Android app development. Let me show you how we can create a basic Android app in Kotlin. Here's a snippet that sets up a simple Hello Android app. But wait, there's more. Kotlin isn't just for Android. You can use it for web development too. Here's a glimpse of Kotlin-based web server using the Ktor framework. As you can see, there are import statements using the Ktor artifacts and the entities, and it sets a port 8080 and listens on that, and it responds with Hello Kotlin Web. Now, let's talk about safety. Kotlin helps prevent those pesky null pointer exceptions with its Null Safety features. Check out this example. Even if name is null, Kotlin gracefully handles it, so your program won't crash. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the power and simplicity of Kotlin. Whether you are building Android apps, web servers, or just experimenting with code, Kotlin has what you covered. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, this is just the beginning of your Kotlin journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to master this fantastic language. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.